Hey, Sarah, can we talk for a minute?
Sure, Alex. What's up? You look a bit serious today.
Yeah, there's something on my mind that I've been meaning to talk to you about. It's been bothering me for a while now.
You're starting to make me nervous here. What's going on? You can tell me anything.
Well, it's about us. You know how we've been best friends for as long as I can remember. Lately, I've been feeling like things have been changing, and it's been really hard for me to process.
Changing? In what way? I mean, we're still hanging out. We still talk, and we're still close. What's different?
I know. It's not about us not being friends anymore or anything like that. It's more about how I've been feeling. I think I'm falling for you, Sarah. I didn't mean for it to happen, but it's been on my mind for a while now.
Oh, Alex, I had no idea you felt this way. This is a lot to take in. I wasn't expecting this conversation.
I understand. I didn't want to spring it on you out of the blue, but I couldn't keep it to myself any longer. It's been eating at me, and I felt like you needed to know what's been going on with me.
I appreciate your honesty, Alex. It means a lot that you came to me with your feelings. But I'm not sure how to respond. I need to be honest with you too.
Okay, go ahead. What's on your mind?
There's someone else in my life right now. His name is Jake. We started seeing each other a few months ago, and things have been moving pretty fast between us. It's been new and exciting, and I didn't want to bring it up because I didn't want to hurt you.
Jake? I had no idea you were seeing someone. I thought we were still just friends, and I was hoping. Well, I guess I was hoping for something more in the future. It's a shock to hear that you've been with someone else.
I'm so sorry, Alex. I really am. It wasn't my intention to keep it from you, but I didn't want to make things awkward between us. I know you've always been there for me, and I didn't want to lose that.
I understand. It's just hard to hear that things have changed. I guess I always imagined that we might end up together someday. Hearing that it won't happen is kind of devastating for me.
I never wanted to hurt you. If I could change how things happened, I would. But sometimes feelings are complicated, and I didn't want to mislead you or create false hopes.
It's okay. I'm not angry at you, just sad. Sad that the future I envisioned with you won't come to be. It's going to take some time for me to get used to this new reality.
I really wish there was something I could say or do to make this easier for you. I wish I could make things better between us.
I appreciate that, Sarah. I think the best thing for me right now is to take a step back and have some time to process everything. I need to figure out my own feelings and what to do next.
I understand. I hope we can still be friends eventually. I don't want to lose you from my life.
I don't want to lose you either, but I think it might take a while for things to get back to normal between us. I just need some space to work through this.
Of course, take all the time you need. I'm here if you need to talk or if you need anything at all.
Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate that. I'll definitely reach out when I'm ready.
Just remember that you mean a lot to me, Alex. I hope that, in time, we can find a way to stay in each other's lives.
I hope so too, Sarah. I really do.
Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Sarah. Take care of yourself.
You too, Alex.
Thanks. See you around.
Yeah, see you around.
Serious, meaning showing deep thought or concern. Example: he adopted a serious expression when discussing his future plans. Bothering, meaning causing discomfort, worry, or trouble. Example: the noise from the construction site was bothering her concentration. Process, meaning to think about and deal with information or feelings. Example: learning a new language is a gradual process that takes time and effort. Honesty, meaning the quality of being truthful and sincere. Example: she valued honesty above all else and never told a lie. Devastating, meaning causing great shock, distress, or destruction. Example: the hurricane left behind devastating damage to homes and infrastructure. Envision, meaning to imagine or visualize. Example: he could envision a future where technology revolutionized everyday life. Mislead, meaning to give the wrong idea or impression. Example: the misleading advertisement led many customers to buy a product that didn't work as promised. Eventually, meaning at some later time, in the end. Example: after years of hard work, she eventually became a successful entrepreneur. Reach out, meaning to make contact or communicate with someone. Example: don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help with your assignment. Closure, meaning a sense of resolution or finality. Example: meeting her ex-boyfriend one last time gave her the closure she needed to move on.